Custom printed apparel is increasingly being made with sustainable and eco-friendly materials. It is super easy to start implementing this by sourcing the right manufacturer. I'm going to be reviewing 2 brands that are doing this very well and how easily you can print this using heat transfer technology. Let's dive in. I already have the t-shirt loaded onto the bottom platen. I'm going to preheat. And that's just me kissing the shirt with the upper heating element for a few seconds, getting it nice and warm and prepped for decoration. Now, like I mentioned, we are going to be using Ultracolor Max. It is a direct-to-film heat transfer. The reason this is a great solution for printing sustainable materials, not only is it applying at a nice low temperature and short dwell time, so we reduce the risk of burning or scorching the fabric, but the key here is that this transfer is made with a water-based ink, and we're seeing that being utilized more and more in custom printing so that we're eliminating harmful chemicals that are typically being used in plastisol inks. So if you're looking for a solution, this is a great one. It is a hot peel, so as soon as that's complete, we just remove the carrier and it's done. So we're able to easily print these fabrics with direct-to-film because of that low temp and short dwell time, and still create a very premium, durable, long-lasting custom print on there. Very soft, complements the t-shirt nicely. Now let's move on to the vest. Adidas did a really great job of creating a one-of-a-kind piece, something that people want to hold on to, so it's less likely to end up in the landfill. So we're going to complement this vest with our heat print technology by doing unique placements and next level finishes. So we're going to drop our branding here in a unique placement that's alongside the seam and next to the pocket, so it still has unique visibility. The product that we are applying is Silicone Dieblock. The key here is that the silicone texture is a unique finish. It has a raised rubberized finish. So we're adding value to the garment by using this type of transfer. Something a little bit more elevated that complements the Adidas brand. Silicone is a cold peel, so we are going to wait for that to cool. While we do that, let's go ahead to the 360 IQ and drop our branding with print stitch on the left chest. When it comes to heat printing eco-friendly fabrics, especially if you are going to be doing patches, we highly recommend dual heat. That's why we're utilizing the 360 IQ for our print stitch application. We have our bottom heat set to 320 and our top heat set to 280. We're going to thread this on there, making sure our patch is right on that platen. And I'm going to just adjust this slightly so that the zipper is off to the side and not causing any uneven pressure. Next thing that's going to help with applying this on a sustainable fabric is this foam pad. This is going to reduce any risk of scorching underneath the heat. So we're making what we call a heat sandwich here. We're applying the adhesive of the patch from the inside of the vest at a higher temperature and coming down with a low temp and a medium pressure, all for 30 seconds so that we can apply this without damaging our sustainable material. All right, no other application needed for that. We'll just let that adhesive cool for a bit before we remove the tape. While we're waiting for that to cool, we can go ahead and remove the carrier of our silicone transfer that we did at the Fusion IQ. Now we can go ahead and remove this tape. Right, and print stitch is a combination of sublimated twill with an embroidered border so that it looks like it is embroidered onto the garment. You'll notice no damage done to the vest, which is key to complementing this vest with some next level finishes. These are two really great options to become more eco-friendly in your custom printing shop. Another thing to consider is creating more of a made-to-order business model where you can create mock-ups of these products online and allow your customers to shop for them before you produce them. That way, there's less inventory and less chance of garments not being sold. For more information of the products that you saw in this video, check out the links in the description.